Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
The Central Agricultural University Manipur the Jinghikai the National Agricultural Higher Education Project ICAR New Delhi Ntagasngi kala play pat ba ek program Jinghikai ka ba arte volunteer Halor ka phang pleng ka bla kerteng natural farming present status and future prospects yagani jing Jinghikai la Pynlong College of Agriculture Kyrdemkulai Haribhoi district Jing Tmu Kongsan jongani jing Jinghikai gade ben shimkhia ha ka bay day but kumno banwat ikilat kelinti ban kentiu yakur komrep kebam kta ikamei mariang bat kijing thau ba em bat ru ka ba ai jing mentoi nak benta ka kot ka khia jing kibre ki pundun kam ya ki marep ya ka benta ku mukong san hagne ka singi lawan banishim benta do Dr. Dinesh Kulkarni ubade All India Organizing Secretary bat ubat ru kumu sangathan mantri jong ka bhatia kisan sang dolor ki wei de ki kenrem kilendan kumbalai pusan ngut ki babat ikakerdan assistant professor But Kam Shaneng Bakuntup Niki School Ba Kumna Bhubaneswar West Bengal Assam Badru Niki College ki Badun Jede but ke CAU Imphal ki lawan Banishim Benta ka deka program ka ba an pankot ak spauterik ubnai nailor arajar ar pulai lingba ka te program ki noishim Benta ki niyo ek Jinghikai ka babnia bat ka ba paka na ki lai phongut ki ru shampang jongari ki bala bana nam hakaleng ka perthei Halor ki benta ki bedei bat katei guru komrep komriang krang bakin la pat ban Jinghikai ikibei ki samla pule Halor katei kamat kumba kawei ni ki jingthmu jong ka NAHEP ban Pynlong yakum gini ki jat program kadei ban thau ya kawei ki jingpule ka bathmai ka blatip kum ka undergraduate degree program ha ka phang natural farming ha borok kawei kari Hagani gasngi la yoru ban polite pat ba ikot linkadop kabla ai kerteng handbook on natural farming principles and practices kaban ai jingshai bat batai bnia halor karukom rep rukom riang kabe dei dur ba kamariang saudong saukon lani kata ka natural farming
श्री दिनेश जी कुलकर्णी अखिल भारतीय संगठन मंत्री भारतीय किसान संघ Dr. Mishra ji, Director ICR Complex Barapani, Dr. Sharma ji, Director Extension Services of this university, and my friend Dr. Thakuria. At the outset, I would like to appreciate and thank, and to be very specific, Dr. Anupam Mishra ji, Central Agriculture University in Imphal, and you all to take a step in the right direction, which I feel. I think probably this is the first university in the entire country who has in fact contributed in preparing the background and taking the first step towards this important direction. I would like to emphasize one more thing. This is a step in a direction where the entire agriculture is bound to be revolutionized. We have decided, or we are contemplating to move in exactly the opposite direction of what we have been taught and what we have been teaching. In fact, in my 40 years of service, 30 years I dedicatedly worked for industrial agriculture. But in the last phase of my career, I found, after interacting with people like Kulkarni ji and many others, that we are somewhere going wrong. I would like to tell you a small story, which will probably...
And the second is the Dhanvantri. Vasisht he likes the cow, and based on the cow product, Dhanvantri has defined and made a product, the Panchagavya. And now you see the Panchagavya. I think it is the wonderful biostimulant by which we can enhance the nitrogen nutrient use efficiency. You can enhance the microbial growth, microbial efficiency, but the question is whether we are thinking particularly on that directions or not. आज आप देखें जस्ट बड़ी रिसेंट एक जो चंद्रयान 3 जो सफल लैंडिंग, it is not only because of the modern science. The science, अगर रियल साइंस में आप सम राइट फ्रॉम द नासा टू द इसरो, ये आर्यभट्ट से स्टार्ट होती है और आर्यभट्ट के प्रिंसिपल से लेकर के और आज तक जो उन्होंने पूरे ब्रह्मांड को समझा, उस ब्रह्मांड को समझने के बाद एंड बेस्ड ऑन द पास्ट प्रिंसिपल्स, जो हमारी विरासत है और जो आज का हमारा प्रेजेंट है, उसका एक ऐसा इंटीग्रेशन हुआ कि नाउ द पीपल्स लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स द इंडिया एंड एवरीबॉडी एंड एवरी फोरम इज एप्रिशिएटिंग द एफर्ट ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट, आवर साइंटिस्ट. I think the such type of the approach is very much required, particularly in the agricultural field. You don't forget about our past. You must live in the present. और जो वर्तमान और भविष्य के, जो अतीत और वर्तमान के जो हमारे ज्ञान है, जो नॉलेज है, और मैं समझता हूं कि अगर इस नॉलेज को इंटीग्रेट करके अगर हम आगे बढ़ेंगे तो जो कुछ भी जो चुनौतियां एग्रीकल्चर में हैं, आई थिंक द प्रॉब्लम विल बी सॉल्व्ड. एंड हियर जस्ट आई एम अर्जिंग टू आवर द साइंटिस्ट, आई एम अर्जिंग टू आवर यंगर पीपुल्स, those who are making the career particularly in the agriculture field, whatever the things has been developed, you must test it, you must some more work on that aspect. For the examples, there is a very much defined concept of the Jivamrit and Bijamrit, like I am in favors. The ratio has been very much defined, but apart from that, there is a lot of the scope. You must test the different type of the ratios of the cow dung, urine, whatever the components are theirs, and based on the combinations, based on the ecosystems, and based on the crop, you must test it if it will be.
For the purpose of our inaugural function of training program, it is Natural Farming Present Status and Future Prospects. This is a 2 weeks training program and it will be starting from today and it will be ended on 10th of September 2023. Now, first of all, before I go to the background of this training, I would like to welcome all the dignitaries and all participants and distinguished guests and student friends. So, this training, I would like to welcome, also I would like to acknowledge that our minds has been constantly ignited by our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, who is now Chairman of this inaugural function, and Sir has always ignited some thoughts and he used to give very few words that this is the thing we should do.
का 1-2 साल का इस प्रकार का प्रयास नहीं है, ये एक लंबी यात्रा है, क्योंकि हमारे देश में हरित क्रांति का विषय आया. हरित क्रांति के बारे में बाद में बात करते समय और उसके जो दुष्परिणाम कहो या अन्य परिणाम सामने आने लगे तो इस देश के अनेक लोगों को लगने लगा कि हम कहीं तो भी भटक रहे हैं, हमको फिर से रास्ते पर हमारे खेती को लेकर आने की आवश्यकता है. और उस दृष्टि से अलग अलग प्रयास चल रहे थे, पृथक प्रयास चल रहे थे और गत 30-40 साल से अनेक लोग इसमें काम कर रहे थे. धीरे धीरे माहौल बनते गया